Hi guys, how to download Steam on PC and laptop. Now open your web browser and head to the official Steam website. Click the Install Steam button at the top right of the page. Here's a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake sites. On the Steam About page, click the blue Install Steam button to download the setup file for Windows, or choose the correct version for your specific operating system. Here's a quick heads up. Make sure you pick the right version for your PC, or the installer won't work. Locate and open the downloaded Steam setup.exe file. Click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your system, then click Next to begin the setup wizard. Now, this is the most important step, so don't skip it. Select your preferred language and click Next. Choose your installation folder. You can keep the default destination or browse for a custom one, and click Install. Once finished, check the box to run Steam and hit Finish. This ensures Steam opens automatically after installation. Steam will launch and automatically run an update. Once the update completes, log in using your existing Steam credentials or click Create a Free Account if you need to set up a new profile.